So I'm in the middle of doing a oil change on my company work truck, which is a 2016 Ford F-150 with a 2.7 liter EcoBoost. I normally take this thing in to have the oil changes done. That way they have a record of it, and I believe the company prefers it that way. But occasionally I'll do it myself because I don't feel like waiting for the drug addicts to finish up my oil changes. So I always do my own oil changes on my personal vehicles. I always prefer to do my own maintenance and repairs if I can, whenever possible. And here's a good reason why. So this engine takes 6 quarts of oil. That is a 7-quart drain pan that is completely full. And I had to stuff the plug back in because I knew it was going to run over. So obviously they overfilled this engine grossly. Now, normally I check it. This particular occasion I didn't. It was last service it had was actually at a Ford dealer when it was in for recall. So a good tip, always keep an eye on whoever's doing your maintenance, or if you can, do it yourself. That way you know it's right. So thanks for watching.